Hey makethi kodliwe ingane. Ama roll on lawa cheap. The reason why they smell actually. Yabona isikhathi uyivula. Oh my goodness, it smells so nice. Do you know why it's smelling so nice? It's a fragrant that is synthetic. That fragrant, it is not FDA approved. That fragrant, it quickly absorbed with your lymphatic glands. That fragrance does not dissolve, it augments, iyabonda ngaphakathi, iyabonda and start to ihambe negazi, ibond, ihambe negazi kanjalo. Number one, ngisakhuluma nje nge-fragrant, why it smells so nice. That is lama roll on cheap, ngempela bathi simusha imali mase sithenga izinto ethe kubiza. There is this thing, this is ibiza ukuthi zirconium aluminum. Umdala nje na. Yini lena eyenza ukuthi uma ufaka i-roll on ungajuluki? Ungajuluki for 24 hours. Ekhwapheni yini le block ama sweat glands akho from functioning. It is a zirconium aluminum. It's bad for your body. It is bad for your body. There is why uyathi mina le roll on nje la ingenza amathumba. No, umzimba wakho was bouncing back the heavy deposit of what is called zirconium aluminum. Go and check now le roll on esetshenziswa ingane yakho njoba unengane yenza grade 7 manje. Yini manje iqedwe ukufaka roll on inuka iphase shilonke ukuthi usuye esikoleni yini ngoba phela usale uzwana kusekunuka roll on because of heavily deposited fragments that are synthetic, not good for your kids. That is why sithola ukuthi abantu abadiabetic be-resista kwi-medication abanikwa yona because of aluminum within their immune system. Aluminum, does not melt, does not dissolve, it stays. Cause painful of your joints, inflammation of your joints, brain damage sometimes. That is why asifuni ukukhuluma ngento eningi because believe you me, you'll be literally shocked if singakutshela yonke into. Ngeke uphinde udle ulettuce mesingakutshela uline okhanyayo ukuthi ulettuce. What are you eating there? You really don't know. Ukuthi nje udla nje amaqanda eminenke. Ulettuce is not cooked. Udla imnyundu, amaqanda emnyundu. They call it worms, eggs, snail eggs that are all laid there.